Thank you, sir. Yes, good morning, good afternoon, students. Today, our topic is same, integers. And yesterday, I told you about the subtraction and addition of integer, how we add the integers and how we subtract the integers. And today, I will tell you about our topic is multiplication of integers. And I told you about the negative and positive integers both, and how we multiply the negative with the positive and positive with the positive and negative integers with the negative integers. Both the things I will tell you. First case is case 1 is multiplication of two positive integers. First, we will do some examples and then I will do some questions of your exercise. Multiplication of two positive integers. I will take two positive integers. Just say, for example, I have taken +2 and another one is also +3. Whether I will put plus sign here or not, it is not required. When there is not given any sign, it is +2. And here is also when I can't put the positive sign, it is also means this is positive. So when I multiply by 2 by 3, there comes out +6. Okay. Another one is 1 multiplied by 3. This is also the positive integers. So it is equal to 3. So the case 1 is when we multiply the two positive integers, then the integer is also in the form of the positive form. The next case is, case 2 is multiplication of one negative integer, and the another is positive integer. One is negative and the another is positive integer. I am taking two integers here. Okay. When two or more integers are taken, then I will tell you the method. When one I am taking the negative integer, first one I have taken -3 and the second one I am taking +2. So when the negative integer multiplied by the positive integer, there comes out minus. When the positive multiplied by the positive, then it comes out plus. Positive multiplied by the positive, the result is positive. And the negative multiplied by the positive, the result is negative. So -3 multiplied by 2, it is equal to -6. The third case is multiplication of two negative integer. Both are negative. When the both are negative integer, for example, I'm taking -3 and the second is 2. 2 is also I have taken the minus. Both are the negative integers. When I multiply negative multiplied by negative, then there the result is positive. So -3 multiplied by -2, the result is +6. Okay. So first I repeat this one. First case, multiplication of two positive integers. When I am multiplying the two positive integer, the first one is also positive, the second one is also positive. Positive multiplied by positive, the result is also positive. Second case is multiplication of one negative integer and the another one is positive integer. First one is negative and the second one is positive. When negative multiplied by the positive, the result is negative. And the third case is multiplication of two negative integers. Two negative integers, both are negative. When the negative is multiplied by the negative, these are some cases. And the next our topic is about the multiplication of integer is some properties are also followed of the multiplication of integer method. The first property is, you note down also which I am writing. The next is multiplication by zero. Multiplication by zero. When we multiply a number by zero, when we multiply any number, I will take -3 plus 3 plus 4, any number. Whereas I am taking -4 here, so the result is 0. So multiply any number by any integer by 0, whether it is positive, whether it is negative, the result is 0. Okay. And the next one is, properties of multiplication of integer. What are the properties of multiplication of integer? When we multiply integer by the integer, the result is also integer, whether it is negative, whether it is positive. So when the integer is multiplied by the integer, I will take any example. Just for example, 7 multiplied by -3. 7 is also integer, positive integer. -3 is also an integer. This is the negative integer. So result is -21. This is also the integer. -21 is also the integer. So it means पहली property जो है, properties of multiplication of integer, our first property is closure property of integer. First property is closure property of integer. It means when I am taking two integer, it is also closed with an integer. So multiply a into b, both are integer. So the result is also an integer. So first one is closure property of integer. The next property is commutative property of multiplication. Property of multiplication. You can take another example also, and you write down all the properties in your notebook also. Okay. The next property is commutative property of multiplication. It means when I am taking 3 multiplied by -7, this is for example, A is 3 and B is -7. When I multiply A by B, 3 multiplied by -7, this is equal to -21. I already told you, plus positive integer multiplied by the negative integer, the result is negative. And when I will take B into A, that is also equal to -21. Okay. So it means commutative property of multiplication means A multiplied by B, that is equal to B multiplied by A. Both are equal. This is the commutative property of multiplication. Okay. This is your first property, closure property of integer. And this is your second property, commutative property of multiplication. And the next is associative property of multiplication. Associative property of multiplication. For example, when I am writing like this, I will take two or more integers, A, B, C. For example, I am taking 3 multiply 7 multiply 4. Okay. Now I am taking 3 multiply 7. It means A multiply by B into C and A multiply by B multiply by C. Both the result are same. So this is called the associative property of multiplication. So first we multiply the integer which are given in the bracket. 7 multiply 4, that is equal to 28. 7 4 ja 28. So 28 multiplied by 3, it is equal to 84. So it is equal to 3 multiplied by 7. First we will see the bracket. So bracket multiply karenge. When we multiply in the bracket, 3 multiplied by 7, it is equal to 21. And 21 multiplied by 4, it is also equal to 84. So it means the result is A, B, C. 3 integers are given. So first we will multiply B multiply by C and then multiply by A. Otherwise, when A multiply by B and then the multiplication comes and then multiplied by C, both the result are same. Left hand side equal to right hand side. So it result matlab A multiply B into C or A into B multiply C. Both are same. This is called the associative property of multiplication. Our next property is multiplicative identity. Existence of multiplicative identity. What is the existence of multiplicative identity? What does it mean? Multiplicative identity. It means when we multiply any integer by 1. For example, we multiply 4 by 1. It means 4 1 ja 4. Yeah, it means 1 multiplied by 4. It is also equal to 4. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. Okay. 1 is the multiplicative identity. It means when we multiply any integer by 1, then the number comes. Okay. 4 multiplied by 1, it is also equal to 4. And 1 multiplied by 4, that is also equal to 4. Yeah, otherwise, for example, 0 multiplied by 1, it is also equal to 0. And yeah, 1 multiplied by 0, this is also equal to 0. Any number you can take. For example, I will take -7. -7 multiplied by 1, it is also equal to -7. Or 1 multiplied by -7, this is also equal to -7. These are the identities of multiplication. These are the properties of multiplication of integer. One thing more, one property is more. Multiplication of, this is the last property. Multiplication is distribution over addition. It means when A multiplied by B plus C. What does it mean? A multiply multiplication is distribution over addition. A multiply B plus C. When we expand this, it is equal to A multiply by B plus A multiply by C also. Okay. जैसे for example, I am taking 7 multiply 4 plus 3. It means 7 multiply by 4 also plus 7 multiply by 3 also. 7 4 ja 28, 7 3 ja 21. Their addition equal to 49. This property is called multiplication is distribution over addition. Okay. This is the property is multiplication is distribution over addition. And one property is same, multiplication is distribution over subtraction. Distribution law of multiplication over subtraction. What does it mean? Here the sign is given plus, now the sign is given minus. So when A multiply B minus C, it means A multiply by B. First we will do A multiply by B, then the sign we will put here minus. Here we have put the sign plus, then A multiply by C also. I will take one example. For example, 7 multiplied 4 minus 3. It means first we will multiply 7 multiply by 4 minus 7 multiply by 3 also. 7 4 ja 28 minus 7 3 ja 21. 28 में से 21 when we are subtracting 21 from 28, then there comes out 7. The result is 7. Now, our next 3 integers given, and their product is, for example, product of 3 or more integers. And the sign is given different. For example, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. These are the 2 integers. First, I am taking 2 integers. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, there comes out plus 1. Because minus is given even times, 2 times. Okay? When minus is given odd times, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. The result is minus 1. Okay, नेगेटिव ही आएगा जब एक से ज्यादा टाइम्स ये ऑड टाइम्स होंगे, तो यहाँ ऑड माइनस माइनस जो है ऑड टाइम्स आ जाए when we multiply odd है और this is even. 2 times here minus is given, so the result is plus. Or when the minus is given odd times, 1 3 5, these are the odd number. It is not divisible by the 2. And 2 4 6 8, these are the even numbers that are divisible by 2. So minus comes out even time, the result is positive, and the minus comes out odd times, the result is negative. Or when we multiply 2 or more integers, the product of 3 or more integers. For example, I am taking minus 5 into minus 4 into minus 3. So first we will see which sign is given here. Minus is given 3 times. Odd time minus is given. So the result is minus. So 5 4 ja 20, 23 ja 60. Then the answer is minus 60. Okay. For example, minus is given so many times. Here 2 or 3 times. When it is 100 times, 150 times, then you have to see this is the odd number or even number you will see. For example, minus is given 23 times. You have to multiply. So you see this 23 is the odd number. 23 is the odd number. So the result is also minus 1. When minus is given 100 times, 100 times you have to multiply minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Then the result is positive. Okay. This is the even number. 100 is the even number and 23 is the odd number. So result is also negative. 23, when odd number is given, then the result is negative. And when the minus is given even times, 100 times, 100 is the even number, so the result is positive. Okay. Now, some questions I am taking from exercise 1.3. First question is exercise 1.3. Your first question is find the product. Seven multiplied by minus 35. This is the positive sign. 7 is plus 7. It means when there is no plus multiplied by minus, when a positive is multiplied by the negative number, the result is negative. Okay, first thing it is clear. Now 7 multiplied by 35. 7 5 ja 35, 7 3 ja 21 plus 3 25. So the answer is minus 245. Okay. Or when 2 or 3 numbers is given, for example, the question is third part, minus 12 multiplied by minus 11 multiplied by minus 10. Now first you will have to see the sign. Minus is given 3 times. 3 is the odd number. So the answer, when you will write down the answer, then it is minus. So first you will multiply 12 multiplied by 11. 12 multiplied by 11, it is 132, and 132 multiplied by 10, it is equal to 1320. You can directly multiply also, or one by one you can write, either you can write like this also. You can solve like this also. First you will multiply these two numbers, then the result came, you multiply by minus 10. So minus 12 को minus 11 से then you will multiply. There minus is given 2 times. So the result is positive. Minus is multiplied by minus. Negative is multiplied by the negative. When the two negatives are given, then the result is positive. 12 multiplied by 11, it is equal to 132. And 132 multiplied by minus 10, when the negative is multiplied by the positive, the result is negative. So 132 multiplied by the 10, the answer is minus 1320. You can do like this and this one also. Okay, both are same. When 3 or more integers are given like this, you can take first two. You have to manage it yourself. I will multiply first two. So -1 multiplied by the -2. Two negative signs are given. So the result is positive. +2, then -3 into +4. Okay. So plus multiply by minus, one positive, one negative. Now I am taking first two. Okay. Positive multiplied by negative, the result is minus 2 3 is 6 multiplied by 4. So minus is multiplied by positive, the result is negative. So the result is, total answer is in this question -24. Okay. Our second question is, verify the following. Second question, first part, 37 multiply 6 into -3. This is given in the bracket. Okay. This is given in the bracket. This is the square bracket and this is the round bracket. Okay. Equal to 37 into 6 plus 37 into -3. This is the property of multiplication over addition. But left hand side in the, this is two, there two sides are given. This is left hand side and this is the right hand side. You have to verify this question. So first I will take the left hand side. In the left hand side, how we will solve it? 37 multiply 6 multiply by -3, it is equal to -18. Okay, 6 3 is 18 and the sign is negative. Here is positive sign is given, here the negative sign is given. When we multiply positive with the negative, the result is negative. Now 37 multiplied by 18, 8 7 जा 56, 5 हमने carry कर लिया, 8 3 जा 24 plus 5 29, and when we add these two, 666, or the sign is minus. Positive multiply by the negative, the result is negative. Now I will take the right hand side. In the right hand side, 37 multiply by 6. 222 plus minus minus. So 37 multiplied by -3. Plus is given. Here plus is given. Okay. Not negative sign is given in this question, because both the left hand side and right hand side we have to verify. This sign is positive is given in the question. So 6, when we are adding 6 plus -3, it is equal to +3. 6 में जब हम 3 ऐड करेंगे, -3 ऐड करेंगे, the result is +3. Multiply sign is not given in the bracket. So 37 multiplied by 3, it is equal to 111. Okay. And so this is the result is, the property is multiplication, distribution law of addition over multiplication. 37 multiplied by 6, 222. And plus minus minus, when the positive is multiplied by the negative, the sign is negative. So 37 multiplied by 3, it is equal to 111. 222, 111 subtract from 222, the result is also 111. So this is our left hand side and this is the right hand side. So left hand side, equal to right hand side. Then your question is verified. Okay. In this question, you have to do the verification. Is your left hand side equal to the right hand side? So our left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So first you have to put the sign here, positive. In the book, your positive sign is given. Okay. Now, in the third question, you have to use the suitable arrangement and then suitable property you have to use and then you multiply in the third question. So first you have to make the suitable arrangement. Then how you will make the suitable arrangement in this question? First you will see 8 5 ja 40. Then at the end 0 will come. So first we will arrange all the questions. Then first 8 multiply by minus 125 and then multiply by 53. Okay. In this question, in the third question, you have all the question you have to make the suitable arrangement, then multiply. So minus 125 multiply by 8, the result is minus 1000. Okay. Here the positive sign is given, here the negative sign is given. Okay. Then 125 multiply by 8, you have to multiply. Okay. Then the result is 1000 and then you will multiply by 53. So then the result is minus 53,000. Okay. The answer is minus, next one question you will do it yourself, third one also, and fourth I will do. You will try these questions. Fourth one, 15 multiplied 25 minus 25. Okay. And multiply by minus 4, then multiply by minus 10. Now in this question, you have arrangement first. So first we will make the arrangement. 25 multiplied by minus 4. Minus negative sign multiply by the negative sign. The result is positive. 25 4 ja 100. Now your question is easy. Okay. 100 multiplied by minus 10, it is equal to minus 1000. 100 is positive and positive multiplied by the negative, the result is negative. 100 multiplied by 10, answer is 1000. So 15 multiplied by 1000, the answer is minus 15,000. In this question, you cannot directly multiply. You will see what is the suitable method, which is the easiest method over multiplication. Okay. Now, fifth question. See the fifth question also. (26) multiply minus 48. Yes, student, in this question, 26 multiplied by minus 48 plus minus 48 multiplied by minus 36. Minus 48 is the common. Okay. So I will take minus 48 I will take minus 48 common outside the bracket. Okay, so here comes out 26 plus here comes. So when 26 plus minus 36, both the integer are different. 26 is given in the positive form and 36 given in the negative form. Okay, when we will add plus and minus together, then the result is the 36 subtract by 36, 26 subtract करेंगे out of 36. The result is 10 and the sign is minus. Okay, or minus 48. When there is no sign is given before the bracket, you can put it multiply. So minus 48 multiply by minus 10, the result is 480. So both the negative signs are given, you can multiply together, the sign is positive. 48 multiply by 10, the result is 480. Minus 47 into 102. One question I am more taking. Question number 8. You can split 102. 102 to make it easy. You can write like this: 100 plus 2. Okay. So first we will multiply 100 by minus 47 and then minus 47 multiply by 2. So minus 47 multiply by 100. Then we will put the sign here, positive, plus sign is given, and minus 47. When the two signs are given, then we will put the bracket here. Okay. Then minus 47 multiply by 100. The result is minus 4700. 4700. Okay. Then plus minus. Plus when the negative, the result is negative. 47 multiplied by 2, the sign is negative, and the 47 multiplied by 2, it is equal to 94. When the both two numbers are in the negative form, and when we will add it, it means we will add the numbers and put the sign here negative. So the answer is 4794. And this is the distribution law of multiplication over addition. हम इसे add कर रहे हैं और then distribute करके multiplication property थी हमारी, multiplication over addition था. First we will multiply minus 47 by 100. Then minus 47 multiplied by 2 also. Okay. Now, when the some